Good morning, students. This is your Anushya Miss. And last class we were doing, since two class we had done My Greatest Olympic Prize by J. Sovins. Now, last class we were in the second page. We studied that both J. Sovins and Luz Long, they had become friends. Now, Luz Long was directing or helping or supporting J. Sovins. He was making him understand how he can make good goals in the Olympic games. Now we had also learned about Luz Long's physical appearance. Here we had learned about his physical appearance, how he looked. Now next page, this page we had completed. Now this is the last page we will be doing. Suddenly, all the tension seemed to ebb out of my body as the truth of what he said hit me. Means, here J. Sovins is telling that लूज लॉन्ग जैसे ही मुझे डायरेक्ट किया कि थोड़ा सा पीछे से आई हैव टू जंप so as to make goals. Hearing this, J. Sovins did not have any tension. Ebb out means move out. जितना भी टेंशन था उनके बॉडी में वो बाहर निकल गया because there was someone who was helping him. Such a strong personality was helping him. Confidently, I drew a line, a full foot in back of the board and proceeded to jump from there. I qualified with almost a foot to spare. Now, Luz Long directed J. Sovins to jump a few yards backward. पीछे से एक लाइन खींच के रन करो, उसके बाद you will jump from there. After making a line, you will jump from there. That night I walked over to Luz Long's room in the Olympic Village to thank him. Means Luz Long and J. Sovins were such friends that they began meeting each other and personally meeting each other. Like they had a very good friendship developing. तो Luz Long जाते हैं, J. Sovins जाते हैं Luz Long से एक बार उनके रूम में मिलने. Village, Olympic Village means they were given some room there and he went to thank him. J. Sovins went to thank Luz Long. I knew that if it hadn't been for him, I probably wouldn't be jumping in the finals the following day. Means J. Sovins is telling, अगर Luz Long मुझे help नहीं करते, then I would not have been jumping for the Olympics. मैं Olympics में खेल ही नहीं सकता था. We sat in his quarters and talked for 2 hours about track and field, ourselves, the world situation, and dozen other things. Now, he is telling, J. Sovins is telling that वो दोनों लूज लॉन्ग के क्वार्टर पे मिले, उनके घर पे मिले, वो 2 घंटा बात किए. 2 hours they talked about everything, about the world, about themselves, उन अपने बारे में और बहुत सारे अलग बातों पे भी. When I finally got up to leave, we both knew that a real friendship had been formed. Luz would go out to the field the next day trying to beat me if he could, but I knew that he wanted me to try my best even if that meant my winning. Now, after 2 hours, they both had to go to their own house. Luz Long was already there in his house and J. Sovins wanted to move out. But while going, J. Sovins को ये चीज़ पता था कि लूज लॉन्ग नेक्स्ट डे फील्ड में जाएंगे, ओलंपिक के लिए खेलेंगे एंड ही विल ऑल्सो ट्राई टू विन. इफ इट विनिंग ऑल्सो मेंट दैट ही विल बीट J. Sovins. अगर ऐसा है तब भी ही विल प्ले बिकॉज ही वॉज अ फेयर प्लेयर. ऐसा नहीं है कि फ्रेंडशिप के लिए ही विल बी लूजिंग, बट ही हैड ट्रेन्ड J. Sovins so that दोनों equally play करें and leave upon fate who will win. As it turned out, Luz broke his own past record. In doing so, he pushed me on to a peak performance. Now, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, जिस दिन Olympic Games है, means the next day, they all turned out, Luz Long turned out to ब्रोक हिज पास्ट रिकॉर्ड. मीन्स वो पहले जैसा खेलते थे वो रिकॉर्ड को उन्होंने ब्रेक कर दिया और ये करते हुए उन्होंने जे सोविन्स को और ज़्यादा बड़ा चैलेंज दे दिया सो दैट ही विल डू most good, best करेंगे. Jay Sovins will do his best. He will try to win from Lose Long. I remember that at the instant I landed from my final jump, the one which set the Olympic record of 26 feet 5 by 16 inches, he was by my side congratulating me. Now see, Jay Sovins won the Olympics. This was his record, 26 feet 5 by 16 inches. And when he won, Lose Long was there at once to congratulate him. See the friendship. He was there itself to congratulate him. उनको ये चीज़ खराब नहीं लगा था. He did not feel bad. He had a very good heart and a good friendship with him. He had trained him. That is why he was happy. Despite the fact that Hitler glared at us from the stands not 100 yards away, Luz shook my hand hard, and it wasn't a fake smile but a broken heart short of a grip either. Means Jay Sovins is telling Hitler दूर में बैठे थे and he was looking very angrily at us. But Lose Long हैंडशेक किए जे सोविन्स के साथ. वो फेक स्माइल नहीं था. neither it was a broken heart but a very strong grip. Strong grip means very strong friendship. He did not feel bad. He was very happy. Instead of Adolf Hitler giving very angry looks, he did not fear and he congratulated Jay Sovins. You can melt down all the gold medals and cups I have, and they couldn't be a plating on the 24-carat friendship I felt for Lose Long at that moment. Means, see the description. Lose Long and Jay Sovins' friendship was a 24-carat friendship. 24-carat gold purity जैसा ही friendship उन दोनों का friendship था. I realized then too that Luz was the epitome of what Perry de Coubertin, founder of the modern Olympic Games, must have had in mind when he said, means these are the lines Perry de Coubertin had noted down during the foundation of modern Olympic Games. The important thing in Olympic Games is not winning but taking part. The essential thing in life is not conquering but fighting well. Means Jay Sovins is telling that when Perry de Coubertin had founded modern Olympic Games, what was in his mind? That Olympic game is just not winning. इसमें बस जीतना ही नहीं है, इसमें पार्ट लेना है and fight. You have to fight well and fair. You do not have to hurt anyone. You have to maintain your dignity. You have to maintain your self-respect. You have to show everything of a good quality. सबको you have to serve very well. After that only taking part in Olympics is complete. Okay, now class 9, this chapter is over. If you have any doubt, you can ask me or you can message in the chat box. Now thank you. I'll be sending you the notes now.